let's edit this image. So we're going to go up to the gear icon. We're going to hit the HTML and we're going to find the link for our picture. Copying it here for you as we speak. So now we're going to go up and get the new link for the new photo. Let's go over to our media storage and you're going to see the new photo I want to put in. This is the old photo that I have right now. So we're going to go back, select the three dots, and we're going to get link. You can just click that. It'll automatically copy. Let's head back to our code. You cannot Command V here. You want to reselect this. And now you can Command V. So that code is going to go in and then yes, save. And we are going to preview the quiz. That way you can see, but you already see that it's populated there. So now we're going to go through my quiz really quickly and make these few selections, and voila, the new image is up, and it is that easy.
Hope you're finding this video extremely helpful as you're building your quiz. Look, as someone who builds quizzes all the time and writes code, I know how long it can take. And so if you're looking to just copy and paste some code and have this up and running on your website in the next 5 minutes, then I think you're going to want to jump in the description, click the link, takes you to a landing page, full disclosure, and then you can access all the codes and just copy and paste them into your website. I mean, it really can be that simple. So if that's something you're looking for, then it's right down below. Anyways, back to the video.